Click on the link below to get price. The Dri Eaz F413 Revolution LGR Dehumidifier is a powerhouse designed specifically for water damage restoration, and it excels in both efficiency and portability. With its compact size of just 12.5 inches, this unit is easy to maneuver, making it ideal for accessing tight spaces in homes or businesses affected by flooding or leaks. The design is robust yet lightweight, enabling users to transport it effortlessly while maintaining a sturdy build for rigorous use. One of the standout features of the F413 is its low-grain refrigerant, LGR, technology, which allows for exceptional moisture removal even in high humidity environments. It boasts the capability to extract up to 80 pints of moisture per day, ensuring rapid drying and preventing mold growth. The integrated pump feature adds to its versatility, allowing for continuous drainage without the need for manual intervention. Users can appreciate the convenience of the built-in digital display that provides real-time humidity readings and settings, enhancing user control over the drying process. Complementing the F413 is the Dri Eaz F526 PhD 200 compact dehumidifier, engineered for smaller spaces without compromising performance. This unit is particularly suited for residential applications and is adept at handling moisture in confined areas such as basements, crawl spaces, and small rooms. The compact design facilitates easy storage, making it a great addition to any home maintenance toolkit. Both models are energy efficient, which is a significant consideration for long-term use. They operate quietly, allowing for continuous operation without disrupting daily activities. The durability of Dri Eaz products is noteworthy. They are built to withstand the rigors of restoration work, ensuring longevity and reliability. Overall, the Dri Eaz F413 Revolution LGR and F526 PhD 200 compact dehumidifiers offer exceptional performance, portability, and ease of use. These units stand out in the market for those serious about moisture control, making them invaluable tools for both professionals and homeowners.